Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, I like to share my observations about whether Instagram app is fast draining your iPhone battery or not. 2 to 3 weeks before, I was noticing a sudden poor battery performance with my iPhone 12 Pro. I tried a couple of troubleshooting steps. I have suggested the same to 3 volunteers in my Facebook question and answer group. We all found positive results, so I thought to make this video. Since the last iOS update, I never had any issues with the battery performance, but all of a sudden 2 to 3 weeks before, for almost 4 to 5 days, I was noticing sudden battery performance, degradation, and I was confused whether nothing is changed, like my usage pattern. As I said before, I haven't installed any new applications. I was using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, my emails, Flipboard, and all the other applications that I was using every day. So I was a bit confused what is causing this sudden battery draining problem. Like before that, normally it comes around at least 24 hours where the time it takes to reach the 20% where I put my iPhone in charge. But during this period, almost around like 5 to 6 p.m., my phone hits 20% and I had to put the device in charge. Normally I charge, like if I charge it today evening, then only day after tomorrow morning or by afternoon I put my iPhone 12 Pro in charge. The battery backup was really good, so I was sure that some other iOS related bugs or apps related bugs or some network related bugs, even poor signal reception, could be the reason for fast battery draining. So these could be the reasons that my iPhone's battery performance started to go bad. So I tried these troubleshooting steps. The very first thing is I removed Instagram completely from my iPhone. I monitored for 2 days. I asked my volunteers to perform the same, and within 2 days they have noticed a huge difference in their battery performance. Of course, if you are not using an application that gives us more pictures and videos, then the battery difference will definitely be there. So after 2 days, I asked them to reinstall the Instagram app, and they have noticed there is some minor difference with battery performance, but it was much better than before. So possibly the app related bug could be the reason. I have asked them to use the Instagram in Safari browser itself. And the next troubleshooting step I performed is after 3 to 4 days, I asked them to do network settings reset by going to settings, general, reset, and then go to reset network settings. You don't have to perform all settings reset, but if you want to, you can perform, of course. But in my case, the reset network settings definitely helped. So if there are any bugs related to the network related, the firmware, that could be flushed, and I believe that actually helped maintaining the same battery percentage that I was getting before. From the screenshots, you can clearly see almost for the entire 24 hours I haven't put my iPhone in charge, and below the usage graph is everything is normal. So by the end of the day, I was left with around 40 to 50%. In between that, at least 40%. So that was the battery performance I was getting earlier before this sudden battery drain problem happened. So I was happy with that, and additionally I was doing one more cleaning kind of a step where I also like to recommend it to you. Go to settings and then go to privacy and then go to local network. If there are any applications toggle turned on for these local network access, make sure you know what the application is actually doing, because if you have in the same Wi-Fi network, you have Chromecast or any Apple TV or any other hardware related to it, and if you're going to use that application to use the same network related devices, then you can keep the toggle on. If you have HomeKit and if you have any separate applications like Philips Hue related applications for Philips smart bulbs that you have installed at your home or office, then you can keep the local network feature on. For any other reasons, don't give access to the local network for Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, or any other apps that you find in this list. That is very, very important. It may consume some considerable amount of percentage with your iPhone's battery, and not just for me, also for the other 3 people with different iPhone models, with iPhone 11 and some other iPhone models. They also noticed a good performance difference. Do feel free to try it only if you have a sudden battery draining problem, a fast battery draining problem with your iPhone. And if you're noticing a sudden drop of 3 to 4% with your iPhone's battery health, I have a separate video published recently. I'll leave a link to some supporting videos related to the battery. And if you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends at Twitter and Facebook. People who have similar questions may find the answers. Thank you very much for your patience and watching this video till this moment. Have a wonderful day.